Okay, so here are the three main trig functions, and now I'm going to put up the other three trig functions. Let me put them a little closer. I'm going to move this in a little bit, sorry. Okay. So again, there are 6 trig functions that we'll be working with, but most of the time we'll be dealing with these 3 main ones, but the other 3 are as follows. Okay, the reciprocal of the sine function will be the cosecant function. And it's abbreviated CSC of theta. So the cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of the sine of theta. So if we know that the sine is opposite over the hypotenuse, what then is the reciprocal or the cosecant going to be? What's the reciprocal of this definition?
The hypotenuse over the opposite.
Very good. So the definition of the cosecant, which again is the reciprocal of the sine function, will be the reciprocal of this definition. So the definition for cosecant will be, we put the hypotenuse up to the top and we bring the numerator down below. Hypotenuse over opposite. That's the definition of the cosecant. The reciprocal of the cosine function will be the secant function. And it's abbreviated SEC, secant. And the definition for the secant will be the reciprocal of the cosine. What's the reciprocal of the cosine?
Hypotenuse over 2 edges.
Very good. So that's the definition of the secant. Hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay? And lastly, we're down now at the tangent. The reciprocal function of the tangent function is the cotangent function, and that's abbreviated COT. And it's read as cotangent. And the reciprocal of the tangent function is the cotangent function. What is the definition of the reciprocal of the tangent function?
Adjacent over opposite.
Very good. So that's the reciprocal, that's the definition of the cotangent. The adjacent over the opposite. Very good. Adjacent over opposite. Good. Nicely done. So there are the 6 trig functions, the 3 main ones, and their reciprocals. Straight across, reciprocals. All right? Good?